Waikato, New Zealand, with a population of 450,000 people and 25,000 square kilometres of natural beauty, surrounded by sandy beaches and majestic bush. The Waikato region has over 30 secondary colleges for years 9 to 15 and over 150 junior primary to intermediate level schools for years 1 to 8. Let me show you some of the wonderful places to live and learn with us. With a population of 160,000, Hamilton is located on the banks of the mighty Waikato River, with a busy city centre popular for shopping, events, cafes and restaurants. The visually stunning Hamilton Gardens are webbed by paths that journey through a gallery of themed gardens from Grand Italy to tranquil Asia. Wintec is a hub of high-quality tertiary education that's recognised both in New Zealand and internationally. The world-renowned University of Waikato is also in Hamilton, with a significant campus. Welcome to Cambridge, home of many world and Olympic champions. With performance cycling, rowing, agricultural field days and horse riding, plus dozens of cultural and local events each month. In Taupo you will find spectacular natural landscapes, unlike those found anywhere else in the world, including crystal clear lakes and unique geothermal hotspots. Whitianga is evolving into a delightful place to visit and fast becoming one of New Zealand's most popular North Island summer holiday destinations. Thames is a small coastal town known as the gateway to the Coromandel Peninsula. One of the best loved holiday destinations. Thames was built in the 1800s during the early gold rush. So come and live and learn with us. Here is how to contact us.